Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless and placing it into pairing mode. Press and hold the power/ button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue. While you do that, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and keep the device awake. This ensures the phone will detect the headset immediately. Do this now so you don't waste time toggling modes later. Once the LED is flashing, move to the next step to find and pair the headset with your phone. You'll see HyperX Cloud 3 appear in the phone's available devices. Tap it. When prompted, accept pairing and enable both media and call audio profiles so music and voice work. Make sure to allow microphone permission when the phone asks, because that lets apps use the headset mic. If the device asks for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234. Most HyperX headsets pair without one. Once paired, confirm the phone's audio output has switched to the headset and adjust volume. You finish by testing both playback and microphone. Play a song and record a short voice note to confirm two-way audio. If you notice glitches, open the HyperX app and check for firmware updates. Updates often fix connectivity problems. Make sure the headset battery is above 20% and the phone isn't in low power mode, because that can limit Bluetooth. If pairing still fails, reset the headset by holding power and pairing buttons for 10 to 12 seconds. Then retry the steps above.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.